Good evening everyone. This is Harpreet as a math teacher. Dear students, I hope you all are good and fine and completed the previous one revision as we started the revision of the chapter number 6, similarity of the triangle criteria we discussed, and area of similar triangles also we discussed about it. Today we will discuss more about it and we will do the extra question also. So let us start it now. So here let us remind the theorem. Theorem states, if the two triangles are similar to each other, suppose here ABC is similar to the triangle corresponding part as a DEF, then these two triangles area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF, its ratio, area's ratio will be equal to the square of ratio of their corresponding sides. I think you are remember about all those points also. Whenever we are taking the ratio of the two triangles area, it is equal to the sides ratio, square of the sides square also. It is a square of the ratio of medians. It is a square of, it is also equal to the square of its altitudes and angle bisectors also. So let us see how can we use these parts. So here first question I have written as AD is an altitude of an equilateral triangle ABC. So you can see here triangle ABC, we have given that it is the equilateral triangle. So all sides are equal to each other. Further one they are saying on AD as a base, another equilateral triangle ADE is constructed. So here this implies here is an altitude AD on which another equilateral triangle is formed as ADE. So we can say like this also. Okay, and then now they are saying prove that area of triangle ADE ratio of triangle ABC original triangle is equal to 3:4. This we want to prove. As you know, all equilateral triangles are similar. So we can say here triangle ADE is similar to the triangle ABC by the angle criteria. All angles into the equilateral triangles are 60 degrees each. So this implies both triangles are similar to each other. So we can use this one theorem. So it is the ratio of the both triangles as area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle ABC is equal to its corresponding sides. Any one side we can take because all sides are equal to each other, square of ratio of the both triangles sides. Okay, so here we have taken. So it is the first one part. Now we need what is the AD here. So as you know, equilateral triangle, if any altitude is there, it is also the median. So median means to say equal parts. Suppose I am supposing here BD is equal to x part and this is also x. So this implies BC become as a 2x. So we can say here AB will be also 2x. Now we will use the Pythagoras theorem and we will find out the AD. So AD value will be equal to as a square root of 2x square minus x square. It makes as a square root of 4x square minus x square. It makes as a root 3 and only x. This value will be there. Now let us fill it into the first one part. Fill in the first part. So here will be root 3 x upon AB value already we supposed as a 2x. It's square now. X and x cut out. So we remain here square root of 3. It's a square. It makes as a 3. Upon 2 square it makes as a 4. So we can say here ratio of the triangle ADE, ratio of ADE and ABC, it becomes as a 3:4, which we want to prove this one part. Okay, so hence this one is a proved. Okay, let us see one more question here. So in this one second question it is given here the area of the two similar triangles are 64 cm square and 49 cm square. So suppose here we are drawing the triangle ABC and another one triangle as a PQR, in which we have given area of triangle ABC. It is 64 and if we will take the ratio then it is PQR is equal to, it will be 64 upon 49. Now let us see what is there saying. If the difference of their corresponding altitude is 10 centimeter. So suppose here this implies here will be the altitude as a AD and here will be the altitude as a PM. Altitude mean to say 90 degree on the opposite side from the end vertex. So this implies here we have given AD minus PM condition, it is given is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, so as you know, we can write the ratio of the areas of the triangle is equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding altitudes also, because these two triangles are similar to each other. As here will be angle B is equal to angle Q, because full triangle is similar to each other, it is given to us, and angle D is equal to angle M as a 90 degree angle. By angle criteria, this triangle is similar to each other. So area of triangle, this one, it's equal to corresponding side. AB upon PQ will be equal to the AD upon PM. So in place of that one, we are writing AD upon PM. So you can see here will be AD upon PM, which is equal to square root of 64 upon 49. So you can see here it will be the plus minus, but we will take only the positive sign because of here is a length we are taking. Okay, so AD value we confirmed as 8 upon 7 times of PM. Okay, so now we will fill this one equation into the given one as a first equation. Fill into the first equation. So here will be AD minus PM is equal to 10. So here 8 upon 7 times PM minus PM is equal to 10. So you can see here, if we will take the 7 LCM, 8 times PM minus 7 times PM, which is equal to 10. So it makes as a 1 time PM, 7 on this side, it makes as a 70. So PM value we confirmed as a 70 centimeter into the centimeter. Okay, as areas are given into the centimeter square. So this implies here will be AD is equal to 8 upon 7. Either one of it we can fill here as into the 70. Here will be the 10. So AD value will be 80 into centimeter. So they are asking to us then find out the length of the altitude. So altitude's length are, one is 80 centimeter and another is the 70 centimeter. I hope you all are understood these one extra questions. So practice for the 6.4 exercise and extra questions also. If you have any query, then you can ask me. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.